tell you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's blog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today, I need your help with something. I'm having issues with iTunes on my HP laptop computer running Windows 7. I don't know what's going on, what the problem is. Is it something corrupt in my computer, or is it something corrupt in iTunes itself? And the one thing is, I want to buy a new laptop computer. Should I buy a known Windows computer or a Mac computer? I would really need your help on that because I want to switch from a PC to a Mac because this is ridiculous because iTunes is the exact same issue and it did the exact same thing last year. Without iTunes, I can't put music on my iPod Touch because the software what runs this is iOS 8, but I need iTunes to be able to convert my music into digital copies to put it on here. Now, of course, my computer works perfectly fine, and yes, it's a bit slow at some times because it has a standard mechanical hard drive. It's a 500 gigabyte hard drive, and it acts like it has a lot of stuff on it. But let's just go ahead and boot it up for you, and I'm going to try to show you what the actual problem is with this computer. And yes, it's a very nice PC for some people. Now, if you get very frustrated and very angry and it's like you just want to smash it or something, don't do that because now I'm going to have to call Apple and see if they can fix iTunes again. This happened 2014, I think, and now it no longer works again on my computer. I don't understand what the problem really is. I think it's iTunes, or I think it's the incompatibility with PC and iTunes not working again. Now I gotta turn the brightness up here for it to stop flickering like that, but I don't know what else to do. Maybe you can figure out what I should do, because I just don't know anything else to do to fix this problem. I can make it go back to the older version of iTunes, but that's probably not going to work either. I tried to re-download it, still doesn't do anything. It's missing a DLL file or something like that. If you can see, it's taking forever to load. It says, "Welcome to Windows." It's not very fast, it's very slow. And I'm getting really tired of my computer being slow. And my icon is right here, iTunes. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try to turn this the brightness down for you. But you can see, oh, better I do. Let's see if we can make the icons bigger. So you can kind of get the gist of what's going on here. I don't know why it's washing that's out. There you go. Okay, here if I click on iTunes, I let it load, and this is the error messages I get. Now let me unplug this. I'm bringing it up closer for you can see that. That's the error code I get on my iTunes all the time. Now, if I click the OK button, I can also do that too, and also I am missing a known code. It's down the, it has an error code. Now this computer is about 4 years old. I do like this computer, but I like the idea of trying to experiment with different things. Instead of sticking with a PC, why don't I get something completely different? And that's what I want to try to do. I want to try to get something completely different than using just a normal PC. And yes, some people do use both operating systems, Mac or PC. Some people uses this PC for all things, and most people uses Macs, because I feel the ideal, if I buy a Mac, it's going to probably look better for my Apple iPod Touch 5th generation, and it's going to work perfectly fine with iTunes. And the issue with iTunes with PCs, when he did this update, it corrupted the file. Somehow I just understand on how it did that. But let me know in the comments down below what I should buy, a Mac or PC. Please subscribe, please like, please share. Peace out, bye guys, and girls, or hopefully see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching, and thank you for tuning in. Have a nice day.